This apartment is located in the center of Paris. It's about 200 meters from the historical Opéra Garnier. The street is in the heart of a dynamic district. It's a business area during the day, and at night it becomes a cultural center point. My client is a young professional. He bought this flat 2 years ago and he lived there with his partner. Initially, the apartment didn't meet his requirements, but he really appreciated the district as well as the very rare access to the quite large balcony with beautiful views on the facade of Paris. This building was built during the French Revolution of 1789. It always had a mix of residential and commercial functions. Different dwellers are living in this building now, from young couples, families, and older people who have stayed here for over 40 years. This particular project is located on the 5th floor. When we found the apartment, the overall heritage style was already lost. It felt completely disproportionate. The other main issue came from the lack of natural light, as this apartment has only 2 windows on the street side and 1 small skylight. The owner wanted to have a larger living room, a functional kitchen, and get natural light in all spaces. Our first intention was to eliminate the existing kitchen and to make it the bedroom in the darkest area of the apartment. We installed a translucent glass wall with oblique line in the middle of the apartment. It has the function of a bathroom and acts as a bridge between the sleeping and the living area. Our goal was also to create a large living area open on the balcony and to promote natural light in the whole apartment. When opening the door, you have a perspective from the entrance through the living room and opening onto the balcony. We installed a storage area right at the entrance for shoes, coat, or administrative files. We installed a cork wall where our client can pin pictures, photos, and this way easily personalize and change the decoration. We kept the design of the living room very minimal, with generous space for several people to comfortably hang around. We installed a multifunctional bench in black wood along the wall. It has been designed with 2 levels and appears to be levitating above the floor. The upper side has seating function for dining area. The lower side works as a sofa. We decide to reuse tile from the bathroom to create open shelves. The square tiles create a geometrical structure highlighting objects inside. The kitchen is very functional with a wide stainless steel bench top and a lot of storage. It's fully equipped with an oven, a dishwasher, and a black ceramic cooktop. There is a dedicated hidden space for microwave oven and a built-in fridge. We installed a white floating shelf above the kitchen for the owner to display his personal belongings. The recess covered with black tile work as a mirror for the white one in the living room. We also designed a movable kitchen island. This custom-made furniture piece is made of recycled plastic. It provides more workspace and storage to the kitchen, so the resident can move it whenever they want to have more floor space. The glass wall with oblique lines is the feature of the room. The kitchen facades and the living room bench are in black in color, matching the structure of the feature glass wall. The sleeping area is at the darkest end of the apartment. Separated by a double glazing door, It can act like a noise barrier yet allow natural light to come through. The entrance works as an extension of the bedroom, providing the sensation of increased space when the door is opened. The whole bedroom is painted in blue clay. This special paint made of limestone bits makes the paint look vibrant even in low-light situations. The blue paint also tends to blend in the edge of the wall and ceiling, creating an intimate space. We also have a walk-in wardrobe in the bedroom with 2 accesses. We had to accommodate for structural wooden pole standing right in the middle. Finally, it helped increase the linear of storage in the constrained space. We also incorporated the laundry space at the back for functionality. Our client wanted to have an open bathroom. This space is very minimalist, with white tiles covering the walls, the doors, the floor and the ceiling. The white sink has a rectangular shape matching with the geometrically clean sensation in the room. All tapware are in black, matching the toilet hidden behind. The toilet is designed like a black room at the back of the apartment to increase the feeling of intimacy. During daytime, the bathroom is bringing light to the bedroom. At night, it becomes a light box illuminating the entire apartment. We have always been city guys. Cities offer enormous opportunities, cultures, and collaboration and growth for people, especially for young people. Developing comfortable, enjoyable, and affordable tiny living spaces is critical to maintain social diversity in today's largest cities. Culturally, most French would prefer to own their own home instead of renting. With the increase of the price of the square meters in big cities, small apartments can be the opportunity for people to access the property market and have a place to call home.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.